Okay, this is my 1970 Yamaha XS1 XS650 that has just been rebuilt. Frame off, everything was cleaned and replaced as needed. I got new shocks, new fork tubes on the front, new seat, brakes, tires. All the cables been replaced. Everything works on it just great. The tank's also been recoated. As you can see, it's, I can get the light just right, sort of purplish. So that shouldn't have any problems with that for a long time. The speedometer has been replaced. The original speedometer, when I got it, was like 26,000. So that was, it was having some problems. So I replaced that. Like I said, the whole top end's been new pistons and rings, valve jobs, valve seals, exhausts, front and rear sprocket, new chain, unifilters, new seat of course, and as you can see it's on eBay. You can get a few more pictures of it closer up maybe. So right now we're going to crank it up. Got to lay this down, I'm afraid. Okay, I have a problem getting my earplugs back in, but I've cranked it up. You can hear it. It's idling. Takes a little while to warm up on these old carburetor guys, but you can see sounds really good. Engine's nice and quiet. So check it out. It's on eBay. Thanks, guys.